call me old-fashioned, but I do like homemade rice pudding. And years ago I used to bake it in the oven at a low temperature for a long time, but I don't now. I cook it on the hob, and I'll explain why. It is absolutely creamily gorgeous. Let me show you. Now, I'm not using a non-stick pan here, and so that my rice pudding doesn't stick or burn, I'm rubbing the butter from the recipe along the bottom of the pan. And then in goes some sugar, the rice, vanilla, some nutmeg and the milk, and then I put in a whole tin of evaporated milk as well, and then I bring it up to a gentle simmer on a low heat, lift off the pan, and then can you see I'm putting a baking tin upside down because that will diffuse the heat, because I just want the gentlest heat and my gas doesn't go that low. And then I cook it for 25 to 30 minutes and you have the most wonderful rice pudding.